Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about functions with parameters. Now, functions let you save up tasks you're doing a lot of times on a computer, a series of tasks, and reuse them whenever you like. Now, I'm trying to think of a situation when I do something over and over and over again that I'd like to store up all the things I'm going to do and say, and just repeat it and press play and repeat every time. And I thought birthday cards. I write so many birthday cards to people, and let's face it, you always say exactly the same thing, you just change one or two minor details. So I want a birthday card generator to be made. And in Python, that is quite possible. So here we are, here's Python. I'm firstly going to make a function. Making a function you do by typing the words def, def. And then I'm going to call it anything I want to. I'm going to call mine not birthday, it's too long, I'm too lazy. B-Day. And then I'm going to open and close brackets. Then I put a colon. And then if I print out print there, dear blank. Print dear print happy birthday. Sorry, my speech marks in the wrong place there. Happy birthday. Where have we gone? Print. Hope it rocks. And the school cards, as you sign it off, Mr. M. There we are. So, dear blank, happy birthday, hope it rocks, Mr. M. So now, if I just come down here to the next line and just write B-Day, and then I run the program, parameters, which is here, run parameters, happy birthday, dear blank, hope it rocks, Mr. M. And I can do that again, my mistake, and again, not D, a B, and again, and play. Let's see if it works. It should give me 4 birthday cards sitting all there. And I'm sure you're thinking, okay, that's nice, but you know, a birthday card, it should give someone a name to go in there. Now, there are 2 ways of putting data into a function, into a method rather. The first for method is to use what's called a global variable. So, just a quick demonstration here. If I make a variable here at the top of the program, x equals hi mum. I'm going to try it in a minute. Hi mum. And then here I write at the top before dear print x. That will access that no problem, because an x variable here can be accessed anywhere in this program and inside any functions inside it as well. Perfect. But if I made a functions here, y equals hi dad, then nope, you probably won't print if I put a print in here. Let's see what happens. Print open brackets y. So let's see what happens. No, not allowed. Y is not defined. But y is right there, the next line above it. Why is y not defined? And that's because of the nature of variables. X is a global variable. It can be accessed anywhere inside this Python file. Y is a local variable. It can only be accessed inside this method here. Say I change it now. Say I move this. Try that again. And I paste it there inside the variable. It's indented too, you see. And fingers crossed, It's happy, hi dad. Hi mum, hi dad. But you can't access a local variable outside the method. So this one here, x, at the top, not in any functions or methods, is called a global variable. And this one here is called a local variable, just in case you've forgotten already. Now, so that's one way we could do this. We could put a variable here, put the name in there, but I think we know the name is going to change quite a few times, isn't it? So a global variable wouldn't really work. What we need to do is give the information to this method each time to make it appear. And how do we do that, do you ask? Well, that's where the brackets come in. So I can say bday. So in here, I'm going to write a person's name. I'm going to write Susan. And then, so bday Susan. I want to say, dear Susan, happy birthday. So here, bday and the brackets here, it needs to know what it's going to expect, what to receive. So all I do here is I just write name there. And that means the information here will be sent as a name. A new variable called name is used in this program. So now all I do is I delete the blank spaces and I put in there comma name, and the variable which we have created there will appear here. It's that simple. So let's run it again. Dear Susan, happy birthday, hope it rocks. Okay, that's a nice start, but let's see, I've got 2 spaces on there. Okay, so what else can we do here though? Why is this cool? Well, I can write them to lots of people. Susan, Steph, Hannah, and of course Bernard. So, if I run these through now, you will see every time we run it, hi mum, so dear Bernard, dear Hannah, dear Steph, dear Susan. There we go, how about that, eh? So I'm going to delete these local variables now because we don't need them anymore and they're just getting in the way. But here, you will see guys, we have now found a way to insert a value into a variable using this here. This is called a parameter. If I could type that would help. A parameter, and the name will go right in there. Okay, so today we have learnt about how to make a method. We have learnt about one way to pass data to a method, which is through global variables. We have learnt how local variables will only work inside a method, and we have also learnt how to use parameters, which are, I'm sure you'd agree, exciting things. So, I'll leave you to your work now, but best of British luck